The Lexus GS 350 has built a reputation as one of the most bulletproof luxury sports sedans ever made. Some model years deliver 15 years of trouble-free driving. Others look just as good on the lot, but quietly drain your wallet as the miles climb. In this video, we'll break down the best and worst Lexus GS 350 model years, specifically focusing on reliability, repair costs, and long-term value, so you buy the right one. According to data from Consumer Reports, J.D. Power, NHTSA complaint records, and long-term honor reports, we've ranked them all. We'll start with the years to avoid, then count down to the single best Lexus GS 350 model year you can buy today. Let's start with the worst years. First up, the 2013 GS 350. As the first model year of an all-new generation, the 2013 carried the typical first-year teething problems. According to owner complaints logged with NHTSA and car complaints, the most common frustrations center on the early electronics, particularly the remote touch infotainment controller, which owners describe as glitchy and unintuitive, and occasional issues with the navigation and audio systems freezing. Some owners also reported minor interior rattles and early software bugs that later model years quietly resolved. None of these are catastrophic engine-ending failures, and that's important. But when you can buy a nearly identical car from a later year without the first-year gremlins, the 2013 becomes hard to justify. It's also the year missing the standard safety tech that arrived later. For these reasons, the 2013 GS 350 is widely considered the weakest year of the modern generation. The early third-generation 2007 GS 350 deserves a similar, milder caution. As the launch year of the GS 350 name, a handful of owners reported early electronics quirks and the usual first-year inconsistencies. It's a fine car, but if you're shopping the third generation, the later years are the smarter play. And one practical, year-agnostic warning that comes up constantly in owner forums: watch out for factory wheel lock lug nuts. On many of these cars, the lock key strips easily, turning a simple tire change into an expensive headache. It's a small thing, but it's exactly the kind of detail that separates an informed buyer from a frustrated one. Coming in at number 5, the 2011 GS 350. The send-off year for the third generation, the 2011 represents that platform at its most refined. All the early bugs sorted, a comfortable and quiet cabin, and the dependable 3.5-liter V6. With high reliability ratings and a serene interior, it remains a strong choice for buyers who prefer a softer, more traditional luxury feel over sportiness. Today, it's also the most affordable way into a GS 350, often well under the price of a fourth-gen car. At number 4, the 2014 GS 350. The 2014 is where the fourth generation hit its stride. With the first-year issues of the 2013 largely addressed, the 2014 delivers the sharper styling and more engaging drive of the new platform without the early electronics complaints. The 2GR FSE V6 here is one of the most proven engines Lexus has ever built. Owners routinely report crossing 150,000 miles with nothing but routine maintenance. For shopping used, the 2014 GS 350 is widely considered one of the most reliable fourth-gen GS 350 years of this era. Number 3, the 2015 GS 350. The 2015 is the connoisseur's pick of the pre-refresh cars. It's the final year before the 2016 update, which means it carries the most polished version of the early fourth-gen formula: refined drivetrain, mature software, and strong build quality. Search interest backs this up. The 2015 GS350 remains one of the most sought-after years on the used market. If you want the proven 2GR FSE engine in its most sorted form, the 2015 is your car. Number 2, the 2016 GS350. This is the turning point. For 2016, Lexus introduced the updated 2GR FKS V6 with D4S dual injection, a design that helps prevent carbon buildup that plagues many direct injection rivals, and made Lexus Safety System Plus standard, adding pre-collision braking, lane departure alert, and adaptive cruise control. That's a significant leap in both engineering and safety for only a small price increase over the older cars. The 2016 GS350 gives you modern safety tech and an improved engine while still sitting in an attractive used price range. It's an outstanding all-around buy. And the best Lexus GS350 model year is the 2017 GS350. Here's why. The 2017 inherits everything that made the 2016 a leap forward. The refined G2R FKS engine and standard Lexus Safety Plus system, but with an additional year of production maturity and refinement behind it. Reliability scores for the 2017 are among the highest of the entire run. Owner-reported problems are minimal, and depreciation has settled into a sweet spot where you get a near-modern luxury sports sedan for a fraction of its original price. It is, quite simply, the best GS350 to buy, representing the pinnacle of this generation's commitment to durability, safety, and value. With proper maintenance, a 2017 GS350 will comfortably serve you well past 200,000 miles. So here's the bottom line. If your budget is tight and you value comfort, the 2011 GS350 is a smart, affordable entry. If you want the most proven early 4th-gen car, look to the 2014 or 2015. But if you want the best balance of reliability, safety technology, and long-term value, the 2017 GS350 is the one to buy, with the 2016 right behind it. And whatever you do, go in clear-eyed about the first year 2013. Which GS350 year do you own, and how has it held up for you? Your experience might help another buyer make the right choice. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.